Alright, this video is for lesson 6, the input age in days assignment. Now, I just go ahead and put all of this code over here, and I'm going to run it just to test it and see what happens. It says, hello, what's your age? And I'll say 1 to make it easy. Wow, you are over 365 days old. The reason I did that, then I didn't have to do any math, and I know it's working. Now I'll run it again. Let's try 2. Should be 7. Good, 730, because 365 plus 365 is 730. So we know that's working. Now I wanted to show you guys how to do the bonus, if you didn't figure that one out. This one says, modify the program to ask the user their age in years, and then ask how many months past their birth date is, which means you're going to have 2 separate inputs. And then your output will be more precise in days, because then you're going to add those extra months, the days of those months. So, it's not going to be precise, but let's go ahead and look at this here. If we go to ask a second question, before we have our output, our print output here, we want to go ahead and ask one more question. So I already copied and pasted print. Okay, how many months have passed since your last birthday? And then I named this variable age months. Maybe I should do this one, age years, to be more precise. And then I can take that, copy, paste. So now the answer is going to say this, wow, you are over. But if we just have this, it's only going to show the same answer as before. We want to add those days for the months. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys that when the order of operations works in Python just like it does in your math class. There we are. So now I want to do age year, age months, copy this guy, and we're going to multiply it by 30, because I'm just going to use 30. We're just averaging it, saying it's about 30 days in each month. Could be more precise, and I'll explain that in just a minute. But let's go ahead and just run it and see what happens. What's your age? Let's say 1 year and 2 days. Oh, I'm sorry. 1 month. That way 30 I'll add to it. It's easy for us to figure out if it's correct. 395. Yep, instead of 365, 395. So it's working. Now, some of you wanted to be more precise, and congratulations to a few of you for doing this. Some of you went to average days in a month. You wanted it to be more precise. Since there are 365 days in a year, you divide it by 12. That means on average, every month has 30.4 days. 42 to be exact. So, some of you went like this, 30.42. That's even an extra bonus. Good job. And we'll just make sure it works with that in there. So if I said 1, enter, 1, there it is, 395.42 days old. Alright, see you in the next one.